సో సింగిల్ మూవీలో పర్టికులర్గా మీ ప్రీవియస్ మూవీస్లో చాలా డాన్స్ ఐటమ్స్ చూసాము, దీని నుంచి ఏమి సింగిల్ ఐటమ్ అంటే సింగిల్ హుక్ స్టెప్స్ కానీ అలా ఏం రాలేదు. సో వై ఇస్ దాట్? ఆర్ యూ మిస్సింగ్ ఇట్ ఆర్ వై ఇస్ దట్ హ్యాపెన్? Do you have any idea?
That there's no song in this film. That's why it was not required, Andy. Like we have to put it according to the requirement of the film.
I thought we would be having any surprise.
Yeah, no, that was a totally different thing. And in this film, you've got very lovely, soft, beautiful numbers. It's not the requirement of the film. So.
Okay. Are you missing it like with not dancing in here?
No, my last that was the first time I did a song, no? Adida is the first song I've ever done. So it's not like I've had, in Bro also there was a song called Janavule, which was it was a sweet, soft dance number. But Adida was one of its kind. It was the first time I've
It's
attempted.
a trendsetter movie.
It's the first time I've done something like that. Yeah, but I think that's going to be just one of its kind. So something similar wouldn't be happening in the films.
Okay. So we've seen dance numbers of yours, like you've danced with choreographers, and we thought like you really love dancing. Are you really love dancing?
I like
Dance
dancing.
lover.
I enjoy dancing. I think dance for me is very therapeutic for my confidence. I feel like it brings out the best in me.
Okay.
Like every time I'm dancing, I feel great. And now that you've asked me this question, I am just getting a thought in my head that I should just do it so much more often. My dance classes.
Definitely, yeah.
Yeah.
So if not heroine, what would be the other career you would have choose?
I would probably do something related to traveling.
I do love traveling. Do you go to any places?
I love traveling.
What type of traveling? Like mountains, beaches?
A mix of everything. Like I started my year with, last year I started it with the mountains. I was doing skiing in Kashmir. And then I was in Rajasthan for a wedding. So we were in that whole Rajasthan area. After that, I had gone to Bali. And then I was I very recently did a very wonderful tiger safari in Tadoba, which was after that. And then again I ended it in Gili Islands, which is near Bali, for my birthday. So I am constantly in different locations, and I love traveling because it's very important. Everyone should.
Yeah.
Everyone should travel. Yeah.
How are you managing traveling and shooting and taking breaks?
It's very easy. Our shoots are done in schedules.
Okay.
Our shoots are done in schedules. So you know the days and the months you're shooting. You very well know what your free time and your free dates are, and I choose to travel in that.
Okay. So how many days this movie took schedule?
I believe this took us about 3 to 4 months or 5 months maybe, because obviously there are so many actors in
Which
a film.
other places you visited?
We have to which places? I think we've primarily shot in Hyderabad.
Okay.
Primarily, yes.
Okay. So you must have gone to shoot locations, as you told. So what is the lazy day would be like for you? Lazy day.
A lazy day on shoot.
Yeah, shoot day postpone or your party's done.
Yeah.
What would you do?
What would I do on a lazy day? I think I would I'll call for a burrito bowl or something that I love to eat, and I'll probably just watch some Netflix. I'll probably binge watch a series that I love.
Oh, that's nice. I can sense that you are a movie freak then.
I am.
Yeah.
I would do that on a lazy
People
day.
usually say I sleep all day like that.
No. I think I would just probably binge on content. That's what I do.
Hey, you're so active. So coming to this movie.
No, what active? Binging on content? What activity do you need? You just have to sit and watch, no?
Oh, people are lazy to do that too.
Yeah.
Yeah.